An alternative to Emo Tracker that's very popular in the rando community is Muffins Tracker. Muffins Tracker is a web-based tracker, as opposed to Emo Tracker, which is a Windows desktop application. You start on the homepage by picking the preset you're playing, or just picking the options that match your seed. There's a few features of the core item tracker that are upgrades over Emo Tracker, like being able to see what's currently in your bottles, or how many pieces of heart you are from getting a new heart container. When you're playing with shuffled bosses, you can track which boss is in each dungeon once you know who it is. This will update the logic to indicate if you can complete the dungeon or not. Each dungeon shows the number of items in it, excluding dungeon trash like small keys, big key, map, and compass. This number decreases every time you find an item if you are using auto-tracking. If you are playing a mode that shuffles the item trash like key sanity, these numbers update to reflect that. The boxes have color coding to indicate the logic. Green means you can fully complete it. Red means you can't do any of it. Orange means you can see what it is, but you can't get to it yet. Right-click on the box and then click on the item in the tracker to mark that, so you don't forget it. Blue means it's out of logic and would require glitches to get to, like dark rooms or fake flippers. If you're playing a mystery seed, you get this white flag, which allows you to change the settings of the tracker without reopening it. Speaking of entrance shuffle, you can manually connect entrances to where they exit, and the logic will update to tell you what other entrances are now available. Let's take a quick look at the settings that are available. The easiest way to configure the tracker is if it's a well-known seed type and there is already a preset for it. You just select it and go. The popular presets and the ones for the current stepladder rotation, league and beer league, and current tournaments also show up here. You can also search in the All Presets drop-down. There's a way to detect the settings from the seed link, but I've never used it. The next section is gameplay. Prize shuffle is when the crystals and pendants are just in checks anywhere. Pseudo boots means you can run but not bonk. They show up blue instead of red. Logic settings are next. Most of these are self-explanatory. Ambrosia used to be more popular, but it just means bosses will always have an item, never a key or map or compass. Goal settings are where you switch from Ganon, GT required, Fast Ganon, all dungeons, pedestal, or Triforce Ganon hunt modes. Display settings is the final area. You can select your sprite. This is just visual and doesn't have functionality differences. The map layout can be horizontal, compact, or vertical. Sphere tracking is where you can log what items were locked behind other items if you wanted to track logic. Muffins Tracker and Code Tracker within Emo Tracker are pretty comparable, but in my opinion Muffins Tracker has more quality of life features and does not have any of the lag issues that I had with Code Tracker. The most important part is to use whatever tracker is comfortable for you and know all of the features it provides.